quick and easy recipes. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. Today, we're diving into something super exciting: Chicken Made Simple, a foodie's handbook for quick and easy recipes. If you are looking for these and other chicken recipes, check the description for a link to my ebook. Chicken is a staple in many households, but it can get a little boring if you're always cooking it the same way. That's why today, we're going to explore 3 quick and easy chicken recipes that are not only mouth-watering, but also super simple to make. So, let's get cooking. Recipe 1. Lemon Garlic Roast Chicken. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, about 4 to 5 olives, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 lemon sliced, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons olive oil. First up is lemon garlic roast chicken. Let's start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees. Rub the chicken with olive oil, making sure it's evenly coated. Next, sprinkle minced garlic, salt, and pepper all over the chicken. Stuff the chicken cavity with lemon slices. Place the chicken in a roasting pan and roast it in the oven for about 1 hour or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. And voila! A simple yet delicious lemon garlic roast chicken. Recipe 2. Chicken stir fry. Ingredients: 2 boneless chicken breasts cut into strips, 2 cups mixed vegetables, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Instructions: next, we have a chicken stir fry. Let's get started. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Add the chicken strips and cook until they're no longer pink. Add your mixed vegetables and stir for a few minutes. Pour in the soy sauce and sprinkle garlic powder, stirring well to combine. There you have it, a quick and nutritious chicken stir fry. Recipe 3. Spicy buffalo chicken wings. Ingredients: 2 Ulb's chicken wings, 1/2 cup hot sauce, 1/4 cup melted butter, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt. Instructions: last but not least, we have spicy buffalo chicken wings. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. In a bowl, mix hot sauce, melted butter, garlic powder, and salt. Coat the chicken wings in the sauce. Place the wings on a baking sheet and bake for about 45 minutes, flipping halfway through. And there you go, spicy buffalo chicken wings that are sure to be a hit at any gathering. So, those are our 3 quick and easy chicken recipes that are perfect for any occasion. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a cooking newbie, these recipes are sure to impress. If you try any of these recipes, don't forget to tag us on social media. We'd love to see your creations. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!